This video will show you how to complete a SAM training in CIS 110. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the section in our Moodle course you want to complete. Note the due dates for each section. It will show you a starting and ending time for each section and a final due date. We will use the Word Module 1 section for this example, but the skills and techniques you learn here will be repeated in future sections and modules throughout this semester. Again, this video will show you how to complete a SAM training specifically. I have other videos on how to complete the textbook project and the SAM A and B projects as well, so make sure you watch those videos as well. You will have a SAM training to complete for every module or every week this semester, so pay close attention to how you should go about completing a SAM training. Notice the blue Cengage links that have the blue Cengage symbol before them in our Moodle course. When you click on any Cengage link in Moodle, it will take you directly to a reading or directly to an assignment so you can complete it. I highly recommend starting every one of your assignments this way. So I'm going to navigate to the Word Module 1 SAM training assignment right here in our Moodle course to begin completing the SAM training. Once you click on this blue Cengage link for the SAM training to open, it will open your assignment over in SAM. In student mode, it'll look like this on your screen. You'll want to start by clicking the Start button, and Task 1 will be loaded onto your screen. You'll notice here for Word Module 1, I have 56 tasks to complete. It sounds like a lot, but most of them go pretty quickly. You'll automatically enter into apply mode for every task. Apply mode is what is graded to check off the task as complete. So for instance, this one says create a new blank document. If you know how to do that, you're able to go to File, New, and click on Blank Document. And it'll say apply complete, and it'll automatically move you to the next task. The next task will also start in apply mode. This one says Start Word 2019. If you had no idea how to start Word 2019, that's okay. You can go back to Observe mode or Practice mode. Observe mode, when you click on it, will start a video, and it will give you instructions on how to start or complete that task.
Start Word to create new documents or edit and print existing documents.
If you also want to try it out, the practice mode may be good for you. You're able to see that same video, but it will wait for you to interact with it.
Start Word to create new documents or edit and print existing documents. On the Windows taskbar, click the Start button.
So here it is going to wait for you to click the Start button. Again, Observe and Practice mode are just that, practice. It will not count your task as completed. You must complete it in apply mode for it to give you a check mark or mark that task complete. So once you're able to complete it in apply mode and you have practiced that skill, we're able to go to Start, click on Word, and it says apply complete. Some tasks are also very particular in how you complete them. So this one again on task 1 says create a new blank document. If I go to File and New, and I double click, that's click twice on blank document, it's going to say task incorrect, try again. It wants you to click just one time on blank document to complete that task. But it will give you another opportunity to complete it until you have done it correctly. You're able to check your progress of all of your completed tasks by clicking the 3-bar icon in the upper left-hand corner where it says task 1 of 56 or whatever task you are on. You're able to see a green check mark next to each task that you have completed. This particular training has 56 tasks. Depending on which module you're working on, the task number may be different. Once you get a green check marks next to each task, you have completed that SAM training for that module. You are able to save your progress along the way by clicking submit each time, and then you can come back and pick up where you left off until you have completed all of the tasks in that SAM training.